Hello everyone, my name is Maron, and I'm a software engineer here at Sprkl. Sprkl is a personal observability platform that provides personalized feedback on your code changes while coding in the IDE. Today, I will demonstrate our integration with Okteto and the benefits of integrating with Sprkl. Okteto is a tool that allows you to develop and debug applications directly in a Kubernetes cluster. So let's start. For the demonstration, I'm going to use a sample e-commerce store with a few running services. This time, we are going to run the services on a local Kubernetes cluster with Okteto installed. As you can see, there aren't any running pods now. So first, I'm going to install the Sprkl operator with the command Sprkl kubectl apply. The operator will provide us auto instrumentation for every pod we are going to deploy in the cluster from now on. Now, let's deploy our Okteto environment and see Sprkl auto instrumentation in action. As you can see, the cluster is running and we have one endpoint at port 5000 of the shop service. Next, let's make a sample order to see the order instrumentation in action. As you can see, all the data about the code we just ran shows up on the Sprkl dashboard. Notice that for now, we have only global view data on the dashboard because I didn't make any code changes yet. Now, let's talk about the development part of our Okteto manifest. For the demonstration, I made a configuration for the metrics and orders development containers. So let's talk about the configuration. The Docker image of the container is Okteto node 18. For the command of the container, I'm going to use node1 with Sprkl to monitor the changes and automatically instrument and not reload. We are running Sprkl with the recipe uncommitted to see only the data related to the code changes I will make now. We need to sync two folders for the instrumentation, .git and the chosen service folder. For the orders development container, we will use the same configuration with few adjustments. So now let's deploy the development containers. As you can see, Node1 is running Sprkl with the service code in both of the containers. Now I will make code changes in both of them. The first change I will make is to create a new endpoint in the metrics service, /update metrics. Sprkl instrumented the code with my changes, and Node1 reloaded them, so now all the data related to the changes will show up on the Sprkl dashboard as personal view. The second change is to send a request to /update metrics from the order service. Sprkl instrumented the code with my changes, and Node1 reloaded them, so now all the data related to the changes will show up on the Sprkl dashboard as personal view. Note that the data will show up only when the instrumented code will actually run. So now let's make a sample order in the shop. As you can see, the dashboard is now updated with the new data. For example, we can see the errors resulting from the changes I just made and the exact line of code they derived from. Also, we can see the request to /update metrics and where in the code it was made. Note that even if you are not using VS Code, you can still use Sprkl. The only difference is that you get your Sprkl dashboard on Grafana. To access your Grafana, use the command Sprkl portalist to get your Grafana URL. Here you can see all your Sprkl data as you would have on the VS Code dashboard. Thank you very much for listening. Please contact me if you have any questions about the integration.